Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Now I'm in Rumah Model, one of the biggest factory outlet in Bandung. Actually, this is my first time going to this place. This is because I was so curious. A lot of my friends said this place is very good with a good stuff to buy, but I haven't any idea yet. But now I want to prove that. And yeah, it is open at 9:30 and I already arrived here about like 9 o'clock and having some coffee in the coffee shop. Now it's already open, but I want to tell you what's it inside and I want to prove the good things about this place. Okay? Right. Okay, just continue. Like the shops is generally open at 9:30. Now it's still at 9 o'clock. And yeah, but the restaurants opposite the shops is already open. I don't know like what's the name of the restaurants that I'm sitting here, but this is already open. And now like I ordered the cappuccino, the hot coffee with milk. The difference with the cappuccino, the people say that this one is like more milk than a coffee, but that's okay. Just waiting till the shop's open. I just want to see the stuffs in here, the shop is in here, not for shopping actually. I just wanted to do the culinary and also do the browsing and stuff. Okay, so now I want to try the taste about this coffee. I don't know how it tastes, but I'll try for the first time. Now I'm sitting in the it's kind of garden in the restaurant, waiting for the shops open. While tasting this kind of coffee, it is called cappuccino. Like cappuccino is like, I don't know, it's different with a cappuccino, but it tastes a bit like the same. But the garden, like a bit like more garden in here, is like comfortable because it's not crowded yet. I will show you how the garden will be after this. I will try this one first. And this is the garden that I told you. And this side is the restaurant that I bought the coffee from. And this is the a bit like a small garden or small auto space. And the other side is another restaurant or another food stalls in there. I can see the bumbu desa in there. So yeah, maybe I will try during lunch. Oh yeah, one more thing that I want to tell you guys. Actually, my vlog onwards will be in English. Pardon me for my language, but I will just want to say about my stories to the broader audience. So I will try to put the subtitles in every video, but if not, yeah, sorry about this, but I will try the best for you guys. Okay, before go inside into the Rumah Model factory outlet, I do some browsing in the Google. Actually, this place located in the Setiabudi area, is the Pasteur area. It's kind of the busy area, so if you want to go here, you have to predict the traffic hours. Is the traffic jam everywhere in here. So yeah, this place is open Monday till Friday. No, Monday till Thursday is from 9:30 until 8:30 at night, and on Friday is open at 9:30 till 9 o'clock at night, and for Saturday is open same 9:30 and closes 9:30 at night, and on Sunday is kind of different, open at 9:30 till 9 o'clock. And what they sold in here is like ranging from the clothes and the home decorations. I don't know, I haven't go inside yet, but I will let you know when I already go inside. Okay, in front of me there is Rumah Herboris. I will go to the stores later. I want to go to toilet first and see around the area first, and then go to the Rumah Herboris after that. This is one of the shops in Rumah Model. They sell the clothes, different types of clothes. still empty, but it is good because it will be crowded in about like half 1 hour later. It's like discount 50%, but I want to go to another place first. To that place, I want to go to that shops. Okay, this is the area. This side is about like foods, F&B, food and beverage, and this side is shops. And also there's musola, Muslim prayer room on that side. This area is very comfortable because it's surrounded by green, by plants. And I feel like this one is more culture because there's many sculptures in here. See, there's the sculptures in here, so I feel like homey. Oh yeah, and one more thing, there was an ATM there, so if you need to take some money, you don't have to be worried. And this is the first shops that I get into. I'm sorry I didn't shoot in the horizontal videos, but I put in the short video because it is too complicated to shoot like both formats, like vertical and horizontal. So I put the details of each shops in the shots. Okay, and this is the surround areas. There are many chairs, so you can have a rest after shopping. Okay, I want to tell you about this factory outlet Rumah Mode. There are many brands inside one shop. When I went to one shop, there are many brands inside there. I think more than 10 brands, I think so. Like that ranges from the underwear, work clothes, t-shirts for women and men, both of them, and also kids. Okay, so yeah, it's very confusing when you selected like the brand or the items inside there. Now I'm sitting outside the shops because I want to get into another shops to look around or just do the browsing. Okay, now I want to go to another shops. Is there any shops there? This is the shop that I get into previously. I want to see for another, but I don't know. Is there any entrance? Shop entrance in here? There are many seats in here, so if like everybody's tired, you can sit there. I want to see these shops right now. After that, I want to go to that shops at front. Just look around. And after that, I want to buy fruits in Rumah Heboris. Okay, let's go inside. Not many things inside that store. It's only like a few items in there. Not complete. It's not complete at all. We compare with the previous one that I get into. So I want to go to another one up front. I don't know like what's the brand, what's the difference of the brands with this one. This is the next shops that I want to look. It's like more, this called Eka Karya. Whoa, I think this one is specialized to bags and shoes. I think so. Okay, sorry guys, I didn't shoot inside the shops because there's announcement here that there is no smoking, no cameras, no pets, and no food. So yeah, I just put my phone back to my bag. That one is the restaurant. Remember that the garden that I sit before, that one there, and the restaurant that I went before, that one there, and the other restaurant space just in front of me. This one is the car park space of the Rumah Mode. It's kind of the flat space because a lot of people come here, especially from out of town, like here, Jakal Holidays, Pariwisata or tourism. Actually, this place is so popular among the tourists the local tourists or the international tourists. So that's why like mini buses came here, and or the small buses like a shuttle bus and things like that, and come to here just to the shops before they went back to the city. Now I'm ending up in here having my early lunch. Yeah, it's like now it's more crowded. A lot of people comes right now, and I'm not convenient with the crowded things. So yeah, I just sit here and having my early lunch. Yeah, in here is like only bought the fruits like the crackers and the oil. It's like just go behind me. That's it. And I'm sitting here having my early lunch. I'm having the lontong cap gourmet. I'll show you what is it, and also the tamago. Yeah, the different things between that restaurant and here in here is more expensive than in here, because the sound is different as well. It's like more British area, and the sound is nice, but the price is more expensive. Like it's 15,000, around 15,000 or 10,000 rupiah difference. That's a lot for me, and but in here is more like a cheaper than that one there. So this is what I've ordered: lontong cap gourmet. What inside? It's like a crackers, shrimp crackers in here. One egg, rice cake. Yeah. There's a rice replacement for me as cakes. Chicken, pumpkin, yeah, pumpkin, and opor ayam or chicken with breast milk. The eggs only help, so it's good for the early lunch. Okay, now we'll try this lontong cap gourmet in here. See, I didn't put any chili yet. The sauce is not thick. It's nice, but not too spicy. Let's try the rice cake. Good. The texture is very smooth and the taste is nice, but the this one, the sauce, I think I need more sauce. Oh no, that's fine now. Oh, it's not mixed yet. Okay, let's try the chicken without any sauce. Nice. Actually, for Indonesians, but the most important thing is this one, the crackers. But I like the other one, the white one, instead of this, but that's fine. Finally, I finished my lunch. The food is nice. I give the points 8 to 8.5, I think. The taste is nice, but not too spicy. So if you guys don't like the spicy food, this one is very recommended for you. The sauce is not too thick. It's more to the watery one, but the taste is nice. The rice cake is also nice. The chicken and the rest of it is nice. Okay, now I will review Rumah Mode. As this one is my first time going here, so I will review. I like this space more to eat, not to shop, because I don't like shopping too much. I like shopping but not too much, so I like here because this surround is very green. It's very comfortable to sit and relax, having some coffee and lunch. So yeah, I like this place for having my me time instead of shopping. Actually, the stores is nice. Is yeah, big enough but not too big. Many product ranges they sell, and yeah, the food is also the two types of food. and this one is more Indonesian at this side when I sit, and the other one, the more expensive one, is more Asians, like in Singapore and around that. So yeah, I will come here again, but not for shopping back again, but for eating and yeah, having a good time by looking at the green, at the plants. There's more to greenery one. Okay, thanks for watching. Hopefully this video is very helpful to give you the review or the information about the place that I went to, and I will go for another place and share it to you. Thank you. Please leave your comments in the comment box, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Now it is around 12 o'clock. Many people comes here. It's too crowded for me, so I'm not convenient staying here because a lot of people here, so I decided to get out from this place. So the tips is, if you want to come here, please come early in the morning. Like this place is open 9:30, so it's better that you come here. It's like 9 o'clock or 9:15. You can have some coffee or breakfast in here. So like a lot of people not coming yet, so you can breathe and enjoy the factory outlet. That's it. And also, if you bring your car or your vehicles to this area, it's also better if you come early in the morning, because as you can see, the parking area is very full. It's kind of hard to find the parking space if you come to at this hour. And you can see the traffic in front of the entrance gate is very packed. Yeah, because this area is high in traffic level, so you have to consider if you want to visit this place.